Adobe just rolled out some exciting updates for Photoshop, and many of these are game changers we've been eagerly awaiting. Today, we'll dive into these updates, most of which are currently exclusive to the Photoshop beta version. Let's get started. To access the beta features, head over to your Creative Cloud. Click on Apps, and you'll find the Beta section. There, you can download the Photoshop beta. Don't worry, it can run alongside your current Photoshop installation without any issues. First up, let's talk about Firefly 3. It's now integrated directly into Photoshop. To use it, start by creating a new document in your desired dimensions. You have a couple of options to generate images. Either click on Generate Image to open the new dialog box, or use the new icon at the bottom of the toolbar. Here you can input a text prompt. Choose between creating art or a photo, use reference images, and apply various effects. It's quite similar to what you'd expect from Firefly on its own platform, but now it's baked right into Photoshop. Let's generate an image right now. I will use the following prompt: a bowl of noodles with meat sauce, white cheese noodles, and green onion on top, in the style of a food realistic photography style. You'll notice the image quality has improved significantly thanks to Firefly 3, which intriguingly skipped version 2 and enhanced directly from the first version. You can also use reference images or styles to influence your creations. Please take a moment to view my original reference image. It features a straightforward depiction of a dog. Next, I will incorporate this image into Photoshop. I'll select Reference Image and choose the dog image. In the prompt area, I will attempt to create a cat using the same style as the dog. Let's see the outcome. What do you think about it? Please leave a comment. Moving deeper, let's look at generating variations with the Generate Similar feature. Perfect for when you find an image you like, but want something slightly different without straying too far from your vision. Let me introduce you to a new feature in Photoshop that enhances the detail of images created using generative fill. I will open an image of a landscape, and then, using the rectangular marquee tool, I will make a selection and enter a brief prompt: Red Barn. I will wait for Photoshop to generate the image, and once I am satisfied with the result, I will click on the small Enhance Detail icon. Feel free to zoom in and observe the changes. The image quality is significantly improved compared to before. Another nifty feature is the ability to generate backgrounds. I will use this image with the perfume, and I will remove the current background. I will input a text prompt like Sunny Summer Day and generate a fitting scene. This feature really expands your creative possibilities. So, which of these new features are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you're new here at Sumo Bundle, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our detailed tutorials on each new feature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.